In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can regrow lemongrass in a small pot, and then we can try to sell it, see if we can make some money, see if people want to buy it. Now they are super easy to regrow this lemongrass. Now this bunch here is actually quite old because you can see it's lacking in water, and also because it's getting quite old. It has been here for a while, and if you're not using it, then it will grow too old, so you will need to split them up and you need to regrow them to get a fresh bush. Now here you can see this is what happened, and this is what it looks like once you regrow it. And now that will sprout out quite a lot and quite easily. Lemongrass are very easy to grow, and they grow quite fast if you give them enough water and enough sunlight. Okay, so here we can split it up. You can see here there are some roots around here, so there are some roots down here that we can pull out. So here, just another one right here. So here we can pull this one out. This one can also put on the ground, and then it will sprout out on the side, and you can get new lemongrass as well. Now what we want is this one right here, because we want to put into this tub right here. So I'm just going to get this one out, and then maybe another one here. This whole one. There's 3 of them, a bunch of them right here. I'm going to pull out. So there's a bunch of them. I'll just pull out here. Now we just pull them out. I'm just going to strip out some of the old leaves right here. Now you can see there's another one coming off on the side. So I'm just going to strip out some old one. And just going to put it in here. This is actually quite small, but because it's only temporary, and we're going to once the people buy it, they're going to go home and replant it. So I'm just gonna put it in here just as a temporary. It's not gonna be long term. Now I'm just gonna put this bucket in there just to hold it down. So there's another one right here. Going to put this one in here as well. This one is actually quite big, so you can see it's got quite a lot in here. This is a big bunch. Very nice tub right here. It doesn't have a hole down at the bottom. I'm just going to use this. This is actually too small for this one, so I'm just going to put some soil in. That's stupid. Let's put some in first, and then we're going to put some soil in. Like that. Alright, if you need to plant it on the ground, just dig a hole and you can put it on the ground. And again, just give it enough water. It will regrow easily. Lemongrass are very easy to grow. And that's it. So now once we have it in the tub, let's take some photos, and then we're going to put it on a marketplace and try to resell it. So I have some bucket in here as well. Some pots already have lemongrass in it. Just going to water it. I'm just going to water this one as well. Alright, now it's time to take a photos and post this on the marketplace and see if we can get anyone interested in buying this lemongrass.